Every year, millions of seniors spend billions of dollars on eye supplements, stronger glasses, and expensive treatments, all while being told that vision loss is just a normal part of aging. Blurry night vision, dry or gritty eyes, glare from headlights, and cloudy mornings are often dismissed as unavoidable. But science is showing that this isn't entirely true. Your eyes perform important repair and recovery work while you sleep. When the right nutrients are available in the evening, they can support retinal health, protect the macula, improve circulation to the eyes, and help maintain clearer vision over time. Some of the most powerful foods for eye health are simple, affordable, and already found in many kitchens. Vision problems are more than an inconvenience. They are one of the leading reasons older adults lose independence. Difficulty reading, driving at night, or recognizing faces can affect safety, confidence, and quality of life. That's why understanding how nutrition supports eye health is so important, especially before bed when the body focuses on repair. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a critical nutrient for night vision and retinal function. Vitamin A helps form rhodopsin, the pigment that allows the eyes to see in low light. Eating sweet potatoes in the evening allows beta-carotene to be processed overnight and delivered to the eyes. Studies suggest regular intake may improve contrast sensitivity and reduce night vision difficulties. For best absorption, bake or steam a medium sweet potato with the skin on and eat it with a small amount of healthy fat such as butter or coconut oil. Avoid microwaving as it significantly reduces nutrient content. Wild-caught salmon provides DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that makes up a large portion of the retina and supports the structure of photoreceptor cells. It also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from light-induced damage and supports healthy tear production. Consuming gently cooked wild salmon in the evening may help reduce dry eye symptoms and support long-term eye health. Cooking at low temperatures is important to preserve delicate omega-3 fats. Goji berries are especially rich in zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that accumulates in the macula, the area responsible for sharp central vision. Research shows that regular goji berry consumption can increase macular pigment density and support visual clarity, particularly when eaten later in the day. Soaking dried goji berries or mixing them into plain yogurt improves absorption. It's best to avoid pairing them with coffee or tea, as tannins can interfere with nutrient uptake. Pasture-raised egg yolks are one of the most bioavailable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients strongly linked to reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Because egg yolks naturally contain fats and phospholipids, the body absorbs these nutrients far more efficiently than from plant sources. Soft scrambling egg yolks on low heat preserves these compounds, while overcooking can destroy much of their eye protective value. Bilberries are rich in anthocyanins, plant compounds that support blood flow to the eyes and help regenerate visual pigments involved in night vision. Traditionally used to reduce eye fatigue, modern research suggests bilberries may help slow age-related eye changes and improve low-light vision. For maximum benefit, consume them fresh or thawed without cooking and avoid combining them with large amounts of sugar. Black currants offer a powerful combination of vitamin C and gamma-linolenic acid, which supports circulation and helps reduce inflammation in eye tissues. Studies link black currant intake with improved visual acuity and healthier eye pressure, particularly in older adults. Fresh berries or black currant seed oil consumed with a small amount of full-fat dairy may improve absorption and effectiveness. Saffron contains unique compounds known as crocin and quercetin, which have been studied for their ability to support retinal function and slow age-related macular decline. Clinical research has shown improvements in visual performance with consistent use. Steeping a small amount of high-quality saffron in warm, not boiling, milk and drinking it about an hour before bed allows these compounds to be absorbed effectively. Raw cacao stands out as one of the most powerful foods for supporting eye health due to its high concentration of flavonols that improve blood flow and support mitochondrial function in retinal cells. Research links flavonol intake with improved visual processing speed, better circulation to the optic nerve, and slower progression of certain eye conditions. It's important to use raw cacao rather than processed cocoa, as processing destroys these beneficial compounds. Mixing raw cacao powder into warm plant milk with a pinch of cinnamon and no added sugar is an effective way to consume it before bed. These foods do not replace professional eye care or regular eye exams, but when eaten consistently and at the right time, they can support the eye's natural repair processes during sleep. Starting with 1 or 2 foods and gradually building healthier evening habits can make a meaningful difference over time. Small, consistent nutritional changes often have the greatest long-term impact on vision, eye comfort, and overall quality of life.